Hi, here I have an LED light by Banral. When I open it up, here is how long the flashlight looks like. It is slightly larger than my whole hand right here, made out of this nice metal. But now let's get on to the actual light itself. Oh, right here is the on button. When you turn it on, there is the light, and it also shows you the battery percentage. So right now it's at 89. It is very bright. If you wanted to change the settings, all you have to do is just move that up and down. It'll go from bright to medium to low to strobe to SOS. And then it'll turn off. If you are using it for a while, so let's say it's on medium right now, and you're not using it after a while, like we'll talk about something else, when you turn it off, when you try to push the off button again, it'll automatically turn off. So just be aware of that. And if you need to change the battery or recharge it, it comes with this rechargeable battery here, but then it also has this little battery charger port here too that you can fit 3 batteries in. Yeah, 3 batteries in too. And then it also has this cord right here too to recharge the flashlight. Okie dokie. This was given to us as a sample. Bye.